Hello everyone. In this project, we are learning how large language models or LLMs actually understand prompts, generate responses, consume tokens, and how prompt engineering improves output quality. This script contains multiple real experiments using the OpenAI API. We start by loading the OpenAI model using environment variables from the .env file. This is important because API keys should never be hard-coded inside applications. Then we initialize the OpenAI client and the tokenizer using TickToken. The tokenizer converts text into tokens. A token is a small unit of text that the AI model processes internally. For example, artificial intelligence is amazing. May become multiple smaller tokens internally. More tokens mean more API cost, slower responses, larger context usage. So token optimization is very important in production AI systems. Next, we created the run_prompt helper function. This function sends prompts to the OpenAI API, handles timeout errors, retries failed requests, tracks token usage, prints responses, measures output length. This is similar to how professional AI systems are built. Now we move into the experiments. The first experiment visualizes tokenization. We compare different sentences and observe how many tokens each sentence consumes. This helps us understand that even small wording changes affect token cost. The second experiment studies temperature. Temperature controls creativity. Low temperature like 0.1 gives focused and deterministic responses. Higher temperature like 1.3 produces more creative and random outputs. We compare response quality, token usage, output length, using charts and visualizations. The third experiment compares 5 prompt styles. We use the same task. Explain artificial intelligence, but with different prompt structures. Basic prompt, beginner prompt, technical prompt, storytelling prompt.